Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pediredla. Let's do your reading for the month of December 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Pisces. Three of Swords. That was very quick. I feel like this pain is caused by someone else, not you, basically, because there were some other cards also interfering with this while coming out. So I feel like some others people's energy is affecting you, Pisces. So look after that. Don't let other people's energies interact with yours. So take care of that. When you have to be strong, when you have to say something, say it. That's when you can actually protect your own field of energy. If you let your guard down and let other people say whatever they want and bring you down, then what you're saying, what you're subconsciously doing is you're letting your energy field open. So their energy field will get attacked and a very very bad etheric chords build up. So you can see this is a sword, which is actual sword, where naturally even etheric chords have a blockage. That's the field. That's actually sword representation in tarot. So you can see even the sword is trying to be stuck because of the etheric chords. So many etheric chords are built up. They are trying to attack you with those bad vibrations. When all at once come, even the energy field kind of gets disturbed. Even your soul will be in the very darkness. You can see the Three of Swords. Then you have to be open to it in communicating that hey, it's not good that you're saying this. Please don't say this again. When you say that, they will never come back to you. I can say that for sure. Only when you try, only when you do it, or else these blockages will remain for you for your entire life. You won't even able to reach to your goals, whatever desires you have, whatever vision you have. This will be a blockage. So don't let other people's energy affect you. You can see Three of Swords is becoming Six of Swords. It kind of gets doubled, as I said. Son of Wands. Because why? It's because you are the Son of Wands. You have to be the Son of Wands. You deserve to be the Son of Wands. Everyone has to appreciate you. For that, you need to stand up for yourself, which is Son of Wands. You need to stand up for yourself. You have to show that authority and power. Only then people can respect you. If you don't respect yourself, then how can you believe that people will respect you? If you don't respect yourself, automatically you're sending a bad vibration and people also won't respect you. If you believe yourself, if you trust yourself, if you respect yourself, only then people can believe you, only then people can trust you, and only then people can respect you. You are the reflection of the vibration you put out. Okay. Yeah, exactly. You can see this Seven of Cups. It's the mirror. So you will be like the mirror. This is the exact mirror card you can get in tarot. This is because it's upside down. If I twist this also, it kind of looks the same. Okay. You won't know when, you won't even realize if it is upside down. If this Roman numeral is there. Except other cards you see. You'll notify except this. So this is a mirror card. You're the reflection. That's it. For what? Seventh house. That's the Seven of Cups. Seventh house is people. First house is you. You can see there is only one wand over here. Why? Even though this is court card, it represents first house. That's why there is only one wand. There is Seven of Cups. Seven is seventh house, people. So you're the reflection of people. The way you look at yourself is the way people see you. It's very simple. It's the law of the universe. It's the law of karma, which is the devil card. So universe tries to play out in these scenarios, in this manner, because it's the karma. Okay. When you don't believe yourself, automatically people won't believe you. It's a lesson. It's a lesson. You're the reflection of everything. You're the reflection of God. Okay. When you say you're the reflection of God, you're the reflection of everything. So notice what things you are bringing into your life that will reflect your personality, that will reflect who you are. If you bring bad vibrations and bad people and let bad people talk about you, you will be the reflection of that. Then your image will be reflected. Obviously, right? The clothes you wear, the things which you have chosen in life to have around you is made who you are. If the things around you, if you're not choosing the things around you and chosen differently, it will play out differently, not the scenario or situations what you're manifesting in the future. So 6 of Pentacles. You can see the 3 of Swords is becoming 6 of Swords. This is not what you want to have. You want to make the 3 of Swords as 6 of Pentacles. Not the 6 of Swords, the 6 of Pentacles. So your goal right now and your karma right now, the Devil card, is turn this 3 of Swords into 6 of Pentacles, not the 6 of Swords. You can see the difference of these. Okay. Use it as an opportunity. Use this as a blessing where you can actually manifest growth in your life, where you can manifest abundance in your life, and you can be grateful forever once you do that right now. Okay. Moon. Again, what can I say? Universe tries to help you. You can check out Cancer reading, because Cancer has wands. Even they can help you, and this person can come in the form of like a God's blessing. Even you can be in their life that way, because Son of Wands has come in their card. I can see even universe is trying to help them. Even in your case, Moon card you got, and Son of Cups, you can see Moon over here and Moon over here. So yeah, Moon suggests that universe tries to help you. Universe is trying to make you connect to your own emotions and understand your emotions, how your emotions are actually playing out. Because psychologically, if you really don't respond and keep everything on yourself, you won't notice it, but eventually in the future you will understand that this psychologically has affected you with you not responding in the past. It has psychologically affected you. That's what you will notice. So don't give us chance for that. Everything should be balanced. With the Moon card, your emotions should be balanced. You can see there is phases of Moon, right? It takes different phases because it wants to be balanced. It has to be balanced. So universe is trying to make you connect with your own emotions. We got Son of Cups, which is again emotions. See, now Son of Wands is becoming Son of Cups. It's the same, Sun and Sun. This is Wands and this is Cups. This is the heat that people has brought you. The wand is the stick and fire. So this is the heat that people made you get through. You want to be the Son of Wands, which is someone who can stand alone and get to know himself. But it is fiery in nature. This fire is caused because of other people. But at the same time, you know that you are worthy. That's when this scenario comes and Son of Wands. It's a fiery nature. But when you come to the Son of Cups, meaning that it is same like Son of Wands, where you trust yourself, where you listen to yourself, but it does not affect with other people. It does not come from the vibration, or I can say does not even relate to that anymore. Okay, it just relates to yourself. That's when you connect to your emotions. It's a beautiful reading, guys. Pisces. Connect with your emotions in the month of December. Or you can see, if you carry along, this Seven of Cups will eventually turn to Tower, which is transformation. This is what we want. We want this chaos, upside down chaos over, and that's what will happen. But if you continue doing it, this transformation will go in a negative way. Tower represents transformation, but it depends how the transformation will be. It depends on you. It depends on how you look at it. It depends on how you use it. That's why universe is not trying to tell me what really is happening here, because transformation can be anything. It can be good or bad here. It depends on you. This chaos upside down mirror, what is happening? This chaos will cause a transformation once you realize, but the way you realize and the way you act will depend on you. Mother of Wands. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Now the tables have turned. It is totally different, I can see. Mother of Wands doesn't even relate to other 9 cards here. None of them. It's totally different. It is almost exact to the Devil card. Almost, not in a way, but almost. Devil is obsession, workaholic, working for yourself. Mother of Wands is caring, exact kind of opposite. It's the Wands, both are kind of Wands, but this is workaholic, focusing on themselves, this is focusing on others. See, this is what I'm getting. Once you realize who you are and stay strong, you'll also teach other people to stay strong and be strong. That is Mother of Wands. You can see it's taking care of the eggs. So you'll actually work a lot, you'll understand a lot, you'll be working with this a lot, this energy of karma, resolving your karma. It'll be sad, it'll be painful, but this pain and suffering what you have been caused, what it has what you have gone through in life, it brought you to the Mother of Wands, meaning that you want to take care of other people also. You want to spread this knowledge to other people so they can learn and be the best version of yourself, of themselves, and also this eggs can grow beautifully. This eggs can hatch, and the resultant of the soul can transform beautifully. Mother of Cups. What can I say, guys? You can see tarot, most of the messages in tarot is just through pictorial representation. I'm doing just a 10% or 15% work here. The cards are saying the meaning here, and you can notice it. The tarot is the mirror of the moment and the journey of the moment. So that's why tarot has images, because it's not only tarot reading doesn't happen without tarot itself. Okay, so tarot is the main reason why the reader is even interpreting it. So the energy comes from the cards itself, and the cards are saying to the world what it really is. So Mother of Wands and Mother of Cups, this is the caring nature everyone should have. But mother can't care other people unless she care herself first. Okay, she has to mature, she has to learn many things, she has to protect herself, and only when she takes care of herself, she can take care of other one. Mother of Cups. So yeah, Pisces is a beautiful reading, and it's beautiful to see that people are trying to wake up in this situation that we all are in. And slowly I can see Cancer reading I just finished, and universe is trying to guide people. All the readings till now I did, except Scorpio next I'll be doing. I won't be surprised even universe is coming, like Sun card, Moon card, World card, Chariot, Hierophant. What are these cards? It's the universe. Why are these cards coming? Why not like Three of Swords, Three of Cups, without any major arcana speaking? No. Why is it even coming? There are 78 cards in the deck. It's no surprise. So universe is trying to help each and every one, not even leaving a single person behind. Each and every one, universe is trying to help them, in this situation, to even make us realize what we are going through and what we really have to do. That is the main reason. I can just say this one sentence and just finish off December 2020, guys. To be honest, universe is trying for everyone to realize where we are at right now and where we are supposed to go. And universe is telling, I am ready for the transformation. I am ready to help you for the transformation. This is the message for everyone. That is all there is. And the way it plays out differently depending on the person, because the person, how they receive messages, it varies. Few people could be sensitive, few people could be resistant to it. So universe is trying its best, I can say that. So yeah, at this moment of time we have to respect the universe and really take its blessings, I can say, and even the lessons. And we have to not forget the lessons in our life. These are the lessons that universe is teaching us, not a human is teaching us. It is the universe, it's the experience of life. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. And my tarot readings I'm just guiding you. This is only a part of your part of just an information which I'm sharing, but you have a lot to do in life. You have a lot of things to do in life. You have to uncover a lot. This information is just for your guidance and how you have to move through in your life and what you can expect from the universe and for your life. But you yourself have a lot to do, and I hope that everyone realizes that. And it's best you focus on yourself and see where actually is going on, and really take the advice that universe is giving you. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. If you like the reading, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any video. And if you want to gain access to your own energies, because the tarot readings what I'm doing on YouTube is for the collective, for everyone who has Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter as Pisces. But if you want to gain access to your own energies and get a personal reading from me, you can check out this poster. I do tarot readings, astrological readings, life coaching and daily readings. You can contact me with the number and the link which is available in the poster. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you, Pisces.